Today I'm cooking my family favorite dish, tomato pork sambal. This dish is best enjoyed the next day as it takes time for the flavor to be fully released. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. Let's start with cutting 1.2 kilograms of pork shoulder. Slice the pork shoulder into bite-sized pieces. In this recipe, I like to use the pork shoulder as it has some fat for the great flavor. If you prefer this recipe without fat, lean meat works as well. Cut it thinly for tender pieces and set aside in a mixing bowl. Next, marinate the pork. Sprinkle quarter tablespoon of salt on the pork slices. Rub and marinate until well mixed. Rotate the pork to get the bottom parts. Add another quarter tablespoon of salt. Marinate by rubbing until all the salt is well distributed. Repeat with 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Sprinkle half of it and rub the pork. Rotate it and marinate the pork with the rest of the sugar. Add 30 grams of shrimp paste or belacan and 200 grams of chili paste or homemade blended dry chili. Mix again until well combined. I recommend using the food-grade glove for this as the chili are quite hot and may burn your hands. Alright, see, the pork is a little too dry. Pour 150 ml of water over the chili bowl to wash down some of the chili pieces. Add into the mixing bowl and continue to mix. Alright, it is done. Leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, wash the knife, cutting board and hand thoroughly. Then, slice 240 grams of yellow onion. Put them in the bowl. Leave aside as well. I have 100 grams of ginger here. Cut it into long strips. Place in the bowl. Set aside. Crush 50 grams of garlic and mince it slightly. Put it in the bowl and leave aside. Slice 800 grams of tomato thinly, about 1/4 centimeter in white with a sharp knife. Place it on a plate. All the ingredients are prepared. Place a stainless steel pan over the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 75 ml of cooking oil and wait for about 1.5 minutes to warm up the oil. Add all the yellow onion, ginger strips, chopped garlic, and 4 pieces of washed star anise. Stir fry and cook the herbs for about 4 to 5 minutes or until fragrant, soft and translucent. Alright, after about 4.5 minutes, the herbs are looking good. Spread the onions around the bottom of the pan. Add all the marinated pork shoulder and stir to mix for about 2 minutes or until well combined. Add the cut tomatoes to the top. Without stirring, cover the pan to allow the tomato to cook from the bottom. After 3 minutes, stir to rotate the pork and tomatoes. We are not adding water as the pork and tomato will release some gravy as they cook. Cover the pan and reduce the heat to medium-low. Continue to cook for 1 hour. Stir to rotate every 10 to 15 minutes to avoid the pork from burning at the bottom. After 15 minutes, stir to rotate for even cooking. See, there is a lot of gravy now. Cover the pan and continue cooking until the pork is soft and the gravy has been reduced. After 50 minutes, the meat should be soft, but the gravy is still quite a lot. Stir to rotate once again. Increase the heat to medium-high as we need to reduce some of the gravy to prevent it from becoming a soup. Cover the pan and cook for another 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, this is perfect. A lot of gravy has been reduced. It is now a perfect balance of meat and gravy. Give it a try. Wow, delicious! It's very tasty and flavorful. Switch off the heat and it is done. A simple and delicious meal is ready. Dish it out on the serving plate. This is best served with rice or enjoy with bread. Let's eat! Wow, really perfect. The pork is soft and tasty, very savory and flavorful. It is mildly spicy with slight hint of tomatoes and umami from the belacan. Perfect for the family. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!